Hello everybody, this is Chris with Right Time Capital Group and Global FX Club. Today is August 13th, 2013, and you're joining me watching the Ichimoku daily video. Please take a moment to pause your screen and read over our disclaimer. I'm going to head right into the market. First pair that I do recognize, and basically this is going to be a short video, just going around all the pairs that are around current buy and sell situations. Alright, tomorrow I'm doing a webinar where I will go more in detail with more pairs, but this video I'm covering only a few pairs to talk about whether or not they are at that level to short or go long. First pair I have up is CAD yen. We have a broken trend line. Alright, price broke above it, but look what happened afterwards. We had three candles on the 4-hour time frame where price really was indecisive of what it wanted to do. Alright, now we have CAD yen finding some support on that broken trend line. So if you're looking to possibly go long CAD yen, alright, this will be a good opportunity to go long. This is 94.60. Alright, we also have 94.30, which is the flat Kumo top, which is another area for possible longs on CAD yen. Alright, and if you're looking for long around current levels, then you'll want to put your stop at a close below the trend line, but because we could see price go towards 94.30, you want to put your stop but below that as well. Alright, so if you're looking for a long situation, I do like CAD yen around current levels for longs or for a bounce from this trend line. Euro yen. What did I have for Euro yen? Oh, I have a broken trend line as well for Euro yen. As you can see, price broke below the trend line, came back to actually retested at 130.50. Alright, and then it started falling from there, so pretty much missed the opportunity for Euro yen. Alright, so it's interesting to see what might happen with that pair. We also have the descending trend line here, so if price come back towards the upside and you're looking for longs, then you want to see a break above this, the descending trend line that's acting as resistance. Alright, so basically we have around that 130.80 down to 130.50. Alright, for the trend line for possible longs on Euro yen. Let's take a look at Euro dollar. We also have an ascending trend line on Euro dollar. Alright, last few candles, the last 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last 4 hour candles really hasn't been doing much. Just sideways movement on little volatility. Alright, the average true range in the last 16 hours or so hasn't been that much for Euro. So really looking for a breakout play on this pair. Alright, so let's see what happens with that. Aussie dollar. Alright, so we are currently long your Aussie, so ideally we want to see Aussie dollar begin to fall. Alright, so pretty much we have some support for Aussie, unfortunately, around 90.70. If we get a break below that, however, we could see the pair start to fall. Alright, and I believe we also have an ascending trend line on the pair. So we also have support at the flat Kumo bottom and this ascending trend line. Alright, so in order for our Euro Aussie to work out, we need to see a break below the trend line for Aussie for any possible short situations. Now, one thing I do see as well, we do have a descending trend line, but also we see price breaking above that. But if you take a look at the 4-hour Kijun or the 1-hour Kijun for Aussie, pretty much it's been working out quite well. Alright, it broke below, it came back and tested it a few times, failed to break back above. So what I'm thinking is, if price action fails again to break above the hourly Kijun, then we probably should get a push below the hourly trend line and start seeing Aussie fall. Alright, so let's just keep our eyes on that. Definitely, if we get that break below the trend line, we should see Euro Aussie really take off to the upside and reach towards our targets. Okay, let's take a look at pound. So a pound dollar, I was actually looking for longs. I was looking for price to break above this trend line, but it didn't. All right, and it pretty much came towards it. It tested it, and it fell below it, or it used it as a good resistance indicator. So for those short pound dollar from that trend line, it worked out well. All right, no real situations where I'm looking to get in. Still waiting for that break above. So if we get a break above this trend line on the daily time frame, I will be looking for longs on euro. All right, and just go over Kiwi and then I'll just wrap it up. Kiwi dollar, we pretty much have an ascending trend line, a descending trend line. 4-hour Kijun should provide some resistance for us on 79.94. Just by looking at it, we could tell that for the past month or so, the 4-hour Kijun has been really working well with the Kiwi. So if price starts climbing towards the upside, let's hope that we could use that 4-hour Kijun as another good indicator for resistance, and price action bounces off of it. Alright, so we're looking for Kiwi dollar to, hopefully it doesn't get that high, but if it does, then we could look towards that Kijun to hold steady for us and push price action back towards the downside. Alright, but a further outlook, a more broadened outlook. If we get that break above this trend line, then we could see possible longs and possible what's the word I'm looking for? We could see Q dollar basically take off, all right, towards the upside if we get a break above this trend line. Hopefully it doesn't get there in no time soon, but if in case it does, then you're looking to also play short, then you might want to use this descending trend line as an indicator for shorts. Obviously it's your resistance, so if you're looking for some resistance on the Kiwi, I believe this is the next level that's ideal for shorts. All right, otherwise if you're looking for longs, then wait for a break above. All right, well I'm gonna just wrap it up here with the Kiwi. Tomorrow I'll be holding a webinar at 4 p.m. All right, and with that being said, please join me. I will send out the link for everybody to register, and until then, thank you for watching and good luck trading, everybody.